از ننگ مردم که عمیق ماما که می آمدم بس به این چی که می آمدم می گفتم پیار مردم می دادن که پیار تو ایت چیزی بود ایت چیزی بود مادر تو اینجا عروس شد خود تو اینجا عروس کرد خود من از این ننگ گفتم باش که خود روزی کنم که دیگه بوم دیگه اینا من نبینم.
How old were you when you decided to burn yourself?
11 ساله. بله.
It's a deadly dose, but one they just can't live without. Huddled together in a remote village in the mountains of Badakhshan province, this Afghan grandmother is giving a child a blowback of opium smoke. These women have a smoking session at least 3 times a day. The air in the room is filled with intoxicating smoke, and a few minutes after the blowback, the child looks dazed. The women say the drug is purely for medicinal purposes and are completely oblivious to the deadly danger. They say opium makes them and their children feel good and believe it's a cure for almost any illness. It's one of their best kept secrets.